I'm Lee Bucktrout. I'm the CEO and founder of UKP Worldwide. I've been in business about 25 years and we do customs and logistics. So we are in the supply chain industry. We work with lots of retailers, help them import, export their goods into the UK, and we manage the returns. So we typically deal with online businesses that are selling goods cross-border. BBF have helped us tremendously on our kind of journey. It's been invaluable to us as a business. It's really helped us get from where we were 20 odd years ago to where we are now, and it's made a big difference. We've been on some of their masterclass programs, their growth program, and more recently their lean program as well. The lean program's really helped us in terms of looking at our returns process, in making sure that we actually drill down into the real detail of what efficiencies we can make, what time goods arrive, how quickly and efficiently an operator processes those returns, and it's just made us look at things in a completely different way. Russell, one of the advisors in the growth program, had a lot of background certainly in logistics and was able to help and point us in the right direction, and we've made a lot of improvements to that, and we've adopted some of the things that Russell was able to help us with. So the growth program workshops have been really good for us. Working with other businesses, understanding or sharing problems, taking someone else's solutions to some of their problems have absolutely benefited our business as well. And the workshops have been an invaluable part of the BBF experience.